Hello, my name is Ra'ith and I build and sing songs. I spend hours, sometimes entire days, working on a song. And one of my biggest challenges is knowing when to stop working on a project. I get stuck in this endless loop of fine-tuning the tiniest of details. And I think this is an obstacle a lot of people face. Chefs, painters, writers, educators, musicians, construction workers, engineers, designers. For anyone who's creating something or trying to be productive, perfectionism is quite possibly the biggest enemy. A lot of us stop short of doing good because we can't do it perfectly. A lot of us won't even try something because we're not an expert at it. Don't let perfect be the enemy of any good. This is one of the best pieces of advice I have ever been given, because perfection is a myth. There is no such thing in this relative world of ours that is perfect. There just isn't. And humans, by nature, are imperfect. We forget that as babies learning to walk, we fail hundreds of times only to get up and try again, without thinking, I don't think I'll try this walking thing until I'm sure I can really nail it. We forget that 70% of something is better than 100% of nothing. Don't let perfect be the enemy of any good. For any of us to be good at anything, failure is just part of the process. 20, 50, 100 failures allows us to be better at whatever we're trying to do. Kind of like riding a bike. At some point, you have to stop planning and just ride. There's no formula, no course, no perfect equation, no specific step-by-step process to it. The only way is to actually ride and fall and ride again and fall again, and you get it. And that's the way life should be. In the moment, the here and now, using your intuition and previous experience to maintain balance on your ride. The more experience you have, the better your balance will be. We forget that this life of ours is the ride, and perfection should never be the goal, but to constantly improve. Perfection is a prison. Don't let it stop you from doing the enormous amount of good you're capable of doing. So go out there, get on your bike, enjoy the ride, make a lot of crappy stuff, so eventually the world can benefit from the beautiful mess you'll end up making.